you. So very warm, very nice to be in the Press Club of India. Thank you so much for your time. Vidya, India is 40 years old. Started with 5 girls from IIT Delhi. It's a program where we educate, empower and transform children, youth and women. Vidya India is one of the oldest, one of the senior most NGOs in the country, dedicated to education, dedicated to working to empower women and to educate youth and bring them back. We take the most disadvantaged children, youth and women. We work out of the entire country. We started with very small. I started with 5 girls from IIT Delhi, and with the concept of how do we give them an opportunity so that they can we have because as you know, half of India's children don't get a chance to go to school. These are the girls I started with, and these are the children we work with. So today we emphasize a holistic, high quality education for every child. So we provide them with every possible facility. We are very proud to say that we have a Vidya school in Gurgaon, which is a role model school for India. It is rated amongst, it's only for the less privileged, it's in Gurgaon. And it's a CBSE English medium school. And children from that school today are working, go to the best universities, the best LLCs. To give you one little story, a little boy called Vikram Sarkar came to the school at age 3. He was a carpenter's son and his mother was a housemaid. And Vikram studied entirely at the Vidya school. From there he did a degree in computer science engineering and at NIT. And today he works for Oracle. Vikram came back, built a home for his parents in Gurgaon, who lived in the slums, who lives in a Juggi. And then he came with a check of 2 lakhs to Vidya. He's all of 24. He said, like you've educated me, I'd like you to educate 5 more children. Just give you and he says, once a Vidya child, always a Vidya child. So what we've worked on is we hold hands with every child, youth and woman till they're employed. We don't let anybody go because everybody has a dream. And if you drop them in the middle, it doesn't work. So whether we work across government schools, 300 projects, we are knowledge partners with close to almost 200 plus government schools across India, right from Himachal to Chennai. We also run programs in these communities with women where what we do is that we focus on how to get them into good human beings. That's our focus. So while we teach them English, communicative English, their own language of course they all know, from Himachal to Chennai. But we teach them because English helps them to be ready for the world, that they are employable. And we teach them English, we offer them an IT program, which is NIT program, which is certified, and we teach what we call life skills. And in life skills comes simple things like values. Vidya works like a family, we are one large family, so they connect to us. And through that life skills, we also teach them things like what they want to learn. Martial arts, we are teaching them arts and crafts in the small communities. So for example, in Himachal, I took a garage and I started a Vidya there. Today we're working out of 7 schools in the neighborhood. Nobody's seen a computer, nobody speaks English. But with Vidya's effort, children are speaking English, women are learning computers. To give you a story, this lady came to the center with a big घूंघट and she said, "ये क्या है?" She said, "I said, ये computer है, आपको सीखना है?" मैं सोचती हूँ. I came back after 9 months, her घूंघट was gone. And she was busy typing away on this laptop. I said, "What are you doing?" She says, I can do Word and I can do Excel math. She told me in English. So it is the magic of education that transforms every child. And in Bangalore, I'm going to hand it over to Rekha, our CEO. She's going to share all the things with you.
Okay? Why don't you explain it in Kannada?
ಸೊ ಇದು ನಮ್ಮ ವಿದ್ಯಾಸಂಸ್ಥೆ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ 40 ವರ್ಷ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇವರು ಫೌಂಡರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ರಶ್ಮಿ ಮಿಶ್ರಾ ಬರೀ 5 ಗರ್ಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಡೆಲ್ಲಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ 40 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ನಮಗೆ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 3,000 ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್, 300 ಪ್ರಾಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನಾವು ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಯೂತ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಇವರು 2010 ರಶ್ಮಿ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅವರು ಹಸ್ಬೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ ಅಶೋಕ್ ಮಿಶ್ರಾ ಅವರು IIT ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟರ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು. ಅವರು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಿಗೆ ಬಂದರು. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಗುರುಗ್ರಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು, ಮುಂಬೈಯಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ನಮ್ಮ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಈ ಥರ ನಾವು ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುವ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂತ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಒಂದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯಿತು. ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೌತ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಯಾಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್, ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ 2010 ಗೌರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಶಾಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಇತ್ತು, ಬಟ್ ಕಲಿಯೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಟೀಚ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾರು ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಅವರಿಗೆ ಕಂಪ್ಯೂಟರ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮ್ಯಾಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮೇನ್ ಸಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾವು 150 ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಈಗ ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಜನರೇಷನ್ ಲರ್ನರ್, ಅವ್ರ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇರೆ ಯಾರು ಈ ತರ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಬೇರೆ ಹೋಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅವರು ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 80% ಈಗ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸದಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಫುಲ್ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಕುಟುಂಬ ಮತ್ತೆ ಸಮುದಾಯ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆನೂ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಸೊ ಆಗ 150 ಅಂತ ಶುರು ಮಾಡಿ ಈಗ ನೀವು ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಮತ್ತೆ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ, ಮಡಿಕೇರಿ, ಬಟ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 50 ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಶುರುವಾಗದಿಂದ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 100 ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಗವರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. PO ನಮಗೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ನಾವು ಈ ಶಾಲೆಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಜೊತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಬೇಕು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಅದು ಮಾತ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಏನ್ ಬಿಲೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪುವರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್, ನಾಟ್ ಪುವರ್ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಪುವರ್ ಪೀಪಲ್. ಬಡವರಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಎಜುಕೇಶನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಮಹಿಳೆಯರಿಗೆ ಅದ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯೂತ್ ಸ್ಕಾಲರ್ಶಿಪ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಅವ್ರು ಗ್ರಾಜುಯೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮತ್ತೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್, ಅವ್ರು ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಬಲ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿಮೆನ್ ಮೋರ್ ದೆನ್ 25,000 ವಿಮೆನ್ ನಾವು ಈಗ 15 ವರ್ಷದಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಓರಿಯೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ಸ್ ಕಂಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಸ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್. ರೂರಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ದು ಬೇಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಸರ್. ಹಂಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನಾವು ಬೇಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ಅವಶ್ಯಕತೆ ಇದೆಯೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಸರ್.
So Women Empowerment Program Bangalore, we started in 2010 and we are touching lives of women who are not skilled, school dropouts or do not have enough education to take a job. So skilling programs like tailoring, hand embroidery, mehendi, cooking, beautician, all these programs are provided free in Bangalore and in Bangalore rural like Tumkur, Nagarpally, Shimoga, Shitlagada, Chikpanavara, all these places we are helping, going to the community and setting up small areas where we are putting the tailoring machines. Women from that area come to that area, learn everything in their free time. We have 2 centers in Bangalore where Women Empowerment Program is going in. One is Balakanda Road, one is in Balpri. Other than that, we are working in the communities, close to 32 communities within Bangalore, and almost 6 to 8 rural communities where women are learning masala making skills, tailoring, agarbatti making, so that they can earn, not only earn from their work but also earn additional income which will help their families. Along with skilling, we are also doing communication skill development, little bit of digital literacy for the women. So overall, when you see a woman is empowered, the entire house is empowered, because women only encourage their children to study. They can manage a lot of other things. When we change the perspective of women, the entire perspective of the family, the community changes.
Ma'am, are you provide certificate also?
Yes.
As well?
So all our programs are certified programs. For tailoring, we are in collaboration with Singer. So the singer certificate is provided. For computers, NIT certificate is provided. For beautician, we are providing Shanaz Hussain certification. So each and every program that Vidya does is a certified program.
In Bangalore, where is your institute?
In Bangalore, we have two main head offices. One is in Bannerghatta Road, one is in Whitefield, which is the main head office.
Okay.
So we work out of a hub and spoke model. We have classes in the center, plus we also work in communities. So teachers, our trainers, our alumni go into the community and do the training there. Because it is difficult for people, especially women, to come and travel so
Yes,
far.
yes.
So we go into the community and empower the women in their community areas.
Okay.
With our programs, women programs, we are also bringing in free health care for women, where we make them aware of the latest rules, regulations, rights of women, health benefits that the government, many of them don't know about it. So,
Yes.
Digital Economy Mission. Mr. Sanjeev Kumar Gupta from CEO of Digital Economy Mission, he is our chief guest. ಈಗ ಒಂದು ವಾರ ಮುಂಚೆ ಈಗ ಬೆಂಗಳೂರು ಸ್ಕಿಲ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಅವರು ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಸಿಪೇಟ್